Good morning. Happy Monday. Happy day off if you have one. So yeah, I do. So I'm enjoying a nice relaxing day. But I got some stuff that's happening today, some housewarming and friends over for dinner. So I'm just getting a few things prepared for that so that when I rush back from the housewarming, I wonder if that is that line in me. All right, anyway, whatever. I seem to have a line in the middle. Um, it's easier to throw dinner together. So, first things first, biscuits, because that's, the thing. So, I prepared 2 biscuits using our cool new Host Special. It comes with 3 different sizes. So, I used the small one to like mix the liquid, and then I made 2 batches in there. So the first one, just gonna grab about half or so. And then just put in a bunch of baked apple. This one's not available at this moment in time, but you could use the summer berry, or even if you wanted, you could have some fun with the margarita mix or something like that, or just throw in some actual pieces of apple. This is the treat for Victor when he wakes up in the morning, whenever that's see. So hopefully you guys are having a awesome weekend and your week is going to be nice. I'm excited for this week. We've got a new season coming, so that's exciting. If you haven't already, let me know if you want a catalog or digital or paper. Each one is fine. All right, and the next one, I'm just going to do the better than bacon. And I forgot I was going to put in some lemon dilly. Yeah, I think I'll put lemon dilly. All right. So yes, it's been fun taste testing here all week long with the new products that are coming on Thursday, that's 6. So yeah, some fun new flavors. I'm going to start giving you some sneak peeks over the next couple of days as it comes closer. But again, if you want your own catalog to see what all that, just let me know. Discount shipping is still happening until the 5th, so just before the season launch. So if there's things that you wanted that are going away, because we do have some seasonal things will be going away, you can grab them. Okay. Now I was going to make a bunch of olives. So I just chopped up some olives, and now I'm going to make some olive bread, olive biscuits as well. This happens to be a favorite of my friend who's coming over. See what she thinks of these ones. I might not have put enough olives in, but that's all right. And so I'm making different types of little biscuits, and then I'm going to throw biscuits on the floor because that seems to be the thing. And some more of the birthday cake because it is so good. I'm going to make that. Actually, I haven't decided. I'm still trying to decide if I wanted to do in the perfect petites or in the muffin pan. So take a few with me today, and then have some for tonight. Okay, so there we go. Bunch of biscuits, 3 different flavors, olives, better than bacon, and baked apple. All right, so there we go. Whole bunch of biscuits. Okay. Okay, so that's that one. The next is I'm going to do rotisserie chicken tonight. So I've got the rotisserie chicken already set aside. All I'm going to do here is do a bit of a brine. So a little bit of salt. and then a little bit of water. And we just let them brine a little bit. If you wanted, you could add a little extra flavor, some paprika or garlic or something. I'm not going to bother with that. Just get them in some salt water. And then that's set and ready to go for tonight. And now we move on to the birthday cake. Yeah, forgot what I was doing. All right, so this is the birthday cake. You can actually still get it. It is the new season product, which is pretty cool. Super simple to make. So you're going to have 2 eggs, half a cup of milk of whatever you like. Definitely do unsweetened. A bit of oil, a third cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then the mix. And then if you want, you can always amp things up, which I will, since I'm going to do the combination. And that's the reason why I'm doing it actually in the muffin pan is that I'll have one plain coffee and then one with the coffee cake. And some vanilla. And then what I'm doing is actually adding a bit of protein powder. It's our vanilla, so it won't overrun. About a half a scoop. Don't put too much in because the flavor will stand out more. But it's a vanilla cake, so vanilla is good. And make a big mess, like I'm doing. And now the mix. And look at that color already, right? Such a lovely color of a vanilla cake. And I mean, for me, you know, I'm not really a sweet person, but I like the ability of being able to bake different things when I want them, and not have to worry about them being, you know, like, well, chocolate, because we have our chocolate ones, or, you know, or buying cake mix or having to make it from scratch, which is fine, but it's nice that Epicures is already done and ready for you, and I don't have to think about it, which is awesome. It's gluten-free, it's low in sugar. I can control whether I use butter or oil or whatever I want. And I could make all the different types of cookies, which, by the way, you can make cookies with this. I watched Lisa Duck, who's in the group, make them the other day. They looked yummy. All right, so the first one is I'm just going to do just the plain cake, the happy birthday cake. And what I'll do is make some whipped cream and put some berries on it. And that will be kind of like having a strawberry shortcake kind of idea. And that'll be for tonight. Again, try not to overfill halfway up your pan with the muffin pan, even in the perfect petites, because it'll overflow, which is fine if that's what you want, of course, but if you don't mind the mess of all that, which if you're me, I don't. But if you're trying to have a nice presentation or perfect sized ones, then that's kind of what you want. Okay, so there is the first set of happy birthday cake. 2.5 minutes, and then you just let them sit, and then you can turn them over, ice them, do whatever you want after that. Since I'm not doing this can go away. All right. Okay, the last one was the coffee cake version. So the coffee cake version is you will need some butter. Not very much, just a bit of butter. Melt that up, which of course I can't because I got the thingies in. All right, so you melt that up. Then we're going to put in a bit of sugar and a bit of almond flour, and then you can put that on the bottom. That's all I'm going to do is just prepare. So I'm just going to use butter instead of oil to do the bottom. Now, coffee cake can go either the upside down version, you put all the stuff at the bottom, or you can put it on the top. Depends. I like kind of both, and then you get a little bit of the coffee cake on both ends of the cake. But it's a little different where you used to put the crumble on and bake it kind of after the cake's been made. This one's a little different, but that's the whole point, right? We're speeding things up, and that's the piece we like. You can use cinnamon. If you have churros still in your kitchen, you can use that. So you can just use plain cinnamon, or you can use the churro. Depends on what you like. So I am just going to put a little bit of cinnamon in the bottom of the pan. And then I'm going to put the almond sugar butter a little bit at the bottom, and then the rest will be at the top. So this piece, I'm just going to actually just put a little bit of the sugar and the cinnamon at the bottom, and then I'm going to put a little bit of the mix that I'm making actually on the top. So the bottom already kind of has the butter, and now it has the cinnamon, and now it has the sugar, so it's perfect. So I can get that started. And there we go. The happy birthday cakes are out, or done. So let's stop. Whew. So there we go. That's 2.5 minutes. As you can see, it looks just like when I do the cupcakes. It's just vanilla instead. Get the butter going. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of sugar in with the butter. Not too much. I mean, it's all your taste buds, so as much or as little as you like, of course. And then I'm using a bit of almond flour. And then I will grab the cinnamon again. And again, as little or as much. Or use churro or chocolate powder or whatever you like. And then just mix all that up. And I'm just going to tidy up my pan a tiny bit. All right. So I'm just going to use the teaspoon section and just kind of dabble it around. The instructions are all on the website, by the way, for this. This is just my version. You can make it however you like, or your own recipe of it. That's the fun thing. You get to play around, make it your way. And then you can twirl it or make it more, what do you call it, marbly. Okay, there we go. My little coffee cake version. Same thing, 2.5 minutes. And then once it's done, you still let it sit for like 5 minutes, and you can pop them out and let them finish cooling that way. But don't pull them out too soon, because one, they'll stick, and they're also not finished cooking. So you just need to give them some time to finish doing that. But there you go. I just wanted to come on quick, show you what I'm making today. I hope you have a great week. I will be back again on the 5th or 6th with our new season, and then again on the 9th, where I'll be making again everything I'm going to be having for the open house on the 9th. And you're more than welcome to, one, watch that, and then come if you want to come try some items, grab yourself a catalog, see what's new, and just hang out. So yeah, lots of specials. So there's still specials going until the 5th. The discounted shipping, the barbecue collection, coleslaw, creamy barbecue, coleslaw, creamy potato, and barbecue chicken and rib. All three are on a discount. And also our basting brush and our skewers are also 20% off until the 5th as well. And then we have our new season, and then we'll stay tuned for what's coming for that. So yeah, if you want to have your own event, cooking class, whatever you want, share a link with people. Feel free to reach out. It's a perfect time to do it with a new season. It means everyone's trying out the new stuff. You get a few goodies, and you get to share how awesome you are with Epicure in your life. And these bowls are what's available to purchase come the 6th. Before that, it is still our pitcher. Sorry, whatever you want to call it, our pitcher, which is pretty cool. You put fruit in here, whatever, make different drinks. That's until the 5th. After that, it hits the bowls, and then we have something new coming in August. And you always have 60 days to use your host benefits. And if you're all like, that's great, but I want to get paid doing this, it's a perfect time to join. It's $25, $24.95 to join right now for the Access Pass. So that gives you your storefront, the back office, and everything like that. And then everything you buy, sell, purchase, doesn't matter, you will get paid for. And we get paid every Friday, which is awesome. So whatever you put in this week, you'll get paid the next week, and it just keeps going. And if you want to grow. If you want to just keep it for yourself, that's cool. It's however you want. Oh, there we go. Hang on. Oh, look at those. Oh my gosh. This is what happens when you overfill. But they do look delicious. Anyway, so I'm going to let them finish setting up, and then coffee cake. Okay. So there you go. Have a great day, a great week, and I will be seeing you all soon.